Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a head and motion tracking in After Effects using a GTA 6 clip. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your composition settings and check if your frame rate is at 60. Also choose your favorite ratio. For me is this. Then press OK. Next, go to your tracker, click on your clip and go to stabilize motion. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So first of all, make your tracker a bit bigger and go to the nose. Or if you have an object, go to the place where it's always visible. Now make it like this. The bigger you make, the longer it takes to render. Like this it will be enough. And then you change these options. That feature, stop tracking, 80% is good, and then you press play. Now that it's done, you press apply. Then you have three options. This is to center the character in the middle, or object. This is to center the character in the middle, but it will go up and down. And the last one is more for text. It won't go up and down, but still move from left to right. But we will go with this one. Then press OK. So you can see we have some black bars. So how do you remove those black bars? Is go to effects and presets, type in motion tile, drag it into your clip and change these settings. So mirror edges 250, and this we don't need this because it's for the width, but I'm gonna use it too just for the sake of it. So now those black bars are removed. Now let's play the clip. As you can see, the character is now in the middle and it's not moving from left to right, it stays in the middle. If you have bigger movements, you can use the X. It will stay in the middle, but up and right will still move, so you don't need to use motion tile. Or if you don't want to use motion tile, you can increase the size of your clip. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one.